Well, folks, it's December 1st. Here, laddies, in the ladder stand. It is cold, and we just rang off a shot. 150 grain nozzler ballistic tip, just connected with a buck. I got my doe November 5th in archery, and now we got the buck and rifle with the old .6, the Savage Stevens. Did the trick, one shot and done. Sorry I couldn't get it on video. Called a couple people last night to try and get a cameraman or camerawoman. Didn't work out, so I don't know, sometimes it's nice to sit in the stand by yourself, you know. I mean, I want to make videos, but first and foremost, I'm a hunter and I just enjoy being outside and doing this, so at least we'll get the retrieval and all that on video, so. He's down right over there, let's go get him. There he is. Gun down. There we go. Take a look at my buck here. Oh, yeah. He's just a little guy. He ain't that big. I'm happy with him. Little double crab claw there. There's your. That's what your new roll's gonna do for you right there. 3 on one side. But he's got the brow too. So he's good. Cool deal. Yeah, I had my scope on 10 power, so I knew he was legal. There's the hit. Right behind the shoulder. Yep, nozzler 150 grain ballistic tip. Did the job. Tore him up inside. He's toast. Oh, here it is. It's December 1st, Thursday. Just got my buck. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a just barely a little crab claw there. And he's not the biggest one in the woods, that's for dang sure, but if you know me, anyone that knows me, I'm a meat hunter. I mean, I just enjoy being out in the woods, and I love backstrap, so that's definitely a backstrapper right there, a little butterball. But got him with the Savage Stevens .6 using nozzler ballistic tip Federal 150 grain. Put him down, one shot. Get her unloaded. It was a beautiful day. I mean, it was finally got cold. We had some frost. And he came walking through. See what time it is. Came walking through at about probably 8:15. It's 8:25 now. Let's get a tag on him. Let's get him cleaned up, get him to the truck. Good day.